Hello, got a quick market recap today. Took zero trades, as in zero bitches, zero shorties. I'm just kidding, I don't know. But yeah, I just got a quick recap of why I didn't take a trade. Just gonna explain my thoughts real quick and like just explain the thoughts between not taking a trade. So EURUSD was bearish going into market open. So yesterday was FOMC, tomorrow's PPI, today was unemployment claims. So it's kind of like heavy news, I guess. So like I was just waiting until after 6:30 to take something on take something today, if I were to take something, because I'm just trying to wait out for high impact news. But anyways, 4 hours bearish going to market open. We closed below this low. We did not confirm bearish with this fair value gap, however, so that is something to point out. So maybe I should have said bullish, but since we were able to already close below this low, already inverse this gap as well, I was just considering the 4 hours bearish. We had enough power kind of to, inverse them. So going it like into the 30-minute now, we had London lows, we had London highs, we had 1 hour high here and 1 hour low here. So 1 hour low was the London low, that was the main target. But first I wanted to see the high get taken. So going into like the market open, I say going into too much, but when market open, we saw some potential. Like, we might as well just go up into the London high and go short. It looked good, it looked like it had some potential, but we ended up just crashing down. This wasn't even because of news. 6:30, this was the news candle. Then we had this 6:45 candle, which was kind of chopped as well, and then we also had 7:30. I don't know, market low-key crashed today. Like my portfolio went pretty low, like not low, like I'm not like, it just like I lost like 1% just in like the first hour of opening, which is kind of like I've never seen that before. But anyways, 4 hours bearish, looking for shorts. We never end up getting into the London high, so I didn't take anything because we didn't take out a high. If we don't take out the high, there's no there's no story for the trade, there's no reason to take a trade, so that's why I sat out. GBP/USD 4 hour was bullish compared to EURUSD, which was bearish. Why was it bullish, you may ask? I was just looking at the 4 hour confirmation to the upside. We were able to close above this high, and we never had any confirmation to the downside when compared to EURUSD, where we were not able to confirm above. We didn't even have a high, so that's kind of, yeah. So here this candle was actually a bearish candle on GBP/USD that formed a high, and then we closed above that high, so that's why GBP/USD was confirmed bullish for me. So now on the 30-minute, we had London lows, London highs. Pretty simple thing. We had 1 hour lows at the London low. So on the 5-minute, market opens, right? This is when I hopped on, so I was like, yo, this should look nice, bro. Like, we could come out, take out this London low, take out this 1 hour high, and then go target the London high. So in my mind, something like emotionally that I didn't do right was that I was like, shit, today I'm going to be able to take a trade, and today I'm going to be able to like, get in on some action, But little did I know, I was wrong, bro. I didn't end up taking it, like, because I saw EURUSD had potential, GBP/USD had potential, GBP/JPY had potential as well, but none of them worked out. And that kind of caused me at the end to be like, shit, bro, like that shit sucks, and it just made me feel kind of annoyed. But I didn't care too much about it because, bro, I got so much shit going on, like outside of this, bro. I had a midterm today for Chem 261, bro. Shit messed me up, bro. But yeah, anyways. 4 hours bullish on GBP/USD. We did not take out a low. We did not take it out a high. So I didn't take anything, simply put. GBP/JPY now. 4 hours bullish going into market open. Closing above this high. We never confirmed bearish until the 7 a.m. candle, which is like an hour into market open, but I'm not really looking at that. Just looking at when market opens. So 4 hours bullish, looking at London lows, London highs. 1 hour we had London highs and London lows, and then we also had Asian lows, which were also corresponding with a 1 hour kind of time frame. So on market open, right, we open closer to the London low than London high. So at this point, I'm like, yo, we could just go and take out this London low, go take out that 1 hour low, and then go target London high. It looked good. It looked good in the beginning. EURUSD looked good. GBP/USD looked good, but none of them ended up working out, which is really annoying. And I just got to work on not dealing with my expectations. I'm at 0 trades today, this week, and maybe it's just because there weren't that many like kind of trading days, because tomorrow we got PPI, yesterday we had FOMC, and stuff like that. So maybe it's just because of that, but I gotta lower my expectations. I cannot be expecting to take a trade every day. I can't be expecting to find a setup every day, because that's just going to get me sad and kind of mad about things not going my way. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, What would have been ideal on GBP/JPY? My bad, my computer's about to die. On GBP/JPY would have been like, yo, we just take out the London low and then go target the London high, and then that would have been it. EURUSD would have been ideal. Come up to the London high. However, I would not have liked like a crazy rally, like where we create a large imbalance. I would have liked to see that get inverse and then go short or something like that. But that's something to point out. And then GBP/USD would have been nice if we just, came down to the London low and then target up to the London high. We could have had multiple kind of take profits here. Asian high and London high are kind of similar, so maybe could have had that as a final take profit. But we also had this 1 hour high, but I don't know. Nothing really ended up happening, so I can't really plan out something that was not going to happen. So yeah, that's honestly pretty much it. Yeah, pretty simple day. No trades this week so far, no trades today. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.